Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel in another video. How are you friends? I think all are doing well. I am also doing great. So in today's video, I am going to talk about how to learn English language. What is the right way to learn this language? You all are confused how to learn this language. So in today's video I'm going to discuss about this topic. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Actually, learn English slowly and without pressure. Welcome to my video. Take a deep breath, relax your body, relax your mind. Today we will talk about something very important. We will talk about learn English slowly. We will talk about learn English without pressure. Actually, many English learners feel stressed. They think they must learn English fast. They think they must speak confidently. They think they must know all the answers. But this pressure make English very difficult. This pressure make English very heavy. Actually, English learning doesn't need to be stressful. You can really learn English slowly. You can learn English calmly. So repeat after with me. I always learn slowly and calmly. Uh, You understand this thing? Uh, if you learn slowly, so you learn better. So now we are going to talk about very important. Actually, when you learn slowly, slowly learning is not bad. I think slowly learning is good, is smart. When you learn slowly, your brain has time to remember. Your brain has time to understand the things. When you learn slowly, your brain works better. You feel so fresh when you learn slowly. So, always not in a rush to your mind, not always in a hurry. Calmly and slowly start learning this process because learning is not a one day task, it is a process. You can, after long, it is a long process. You can learn English after a long process. So, don't be in a hurry. So, give to your mind. Day by day, you can improve gradually and you can take lot of the things you can learn by slowly method. It works, really works. So, now we are going to talk about the mistakes. Most of the learners think I don't want to do mistakes, but I think mistakes are the part of learning. When you do mistakes, so you learn from your mistake, but again and again you are doing same kind of mistake, it is not right. So you should also learn from the mistakes. You know, when the child, you have seen the child learns to walk. He falls down first, then he try to again learn. It doesn't matter. He doesn't quit from the learning. So English is the same way. You can learn English by the mistakes. I think mistakes help you to improve your learning. So if you are doing mistakes, so don't afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are good. If you are doing mistakes, so uh, this is the sign of the learning, and by doing the mistake you can be perfect one day. So don't afraid the mistakes and keep going on your consistency and work. Definitely you will achieve your target as soon as possible. I think this video is really helpful for you. If you really like this video, so please like, share, subscribe and follow for more videos. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.